here on earth. They said, will you place in it someone who is shed blood? Well, we declare you justice and sanctify you. He said, I know what God do not you. And he taught Adam the names, all of them. Then he presented them to the angels and said, tell me the name of these, if you are unsure. They said, glory be to you. We have no knowledge except what you have taught us. These are the names of knowledge. He said, O Adam, tell them their names. When he told them their names, they said, we are not you, that I know the secrets of the heavens and the earth, and that I am will handle everything. And he said to the angels, bow down to Adam. They bowed down, except the ridicule was evident and was on the earth. Said, O Adam, inhabit the mountains, you and your house, and eat from it as you please, but do not approach this tree, lest you become wrongdoers. But Satan caused them to sleep from it, and forced them to depart the state they were in. He said, go down, come off, you enemies of one another, and be my assistants on earth, and enjoy it forever. It was Lord, Lord, and towards him, and he is the merciful. He said, go down from all of you, yet whenever guidance comes to you from me, then whoever follows my guidance, they have nothing to fear, nor in their grave. But for those who sleep in flesh of flesh, these are the remnant of the earth, and the those who violate God's covenant after its confirmation, and sever what God has commanded to be joined, and commit evil on earth. These are the losers. How can you deny God? When you were dead and He kept you alive, then He will put you to death, then He will bring you to life, then to Him you will be returned. It is He who created for you everything on earth, then returned to the heaven, and made them 7 heavens, and He is aware of all things. When your Lord said to the angels, I am